Hello, this is Paranormal Girl, and today I'm going to talk about 5 ways to recapture the magic of Christmas. Bring back that excitement you experienced as a child and have a truly magical Christmas, whatever your age. To start feeling festive, check out these 5 ways to recapture the childhood magic of Christmas. Number 1, don't give up on tradition. When we're young, Christmas is all about traditions such as writing letters to Santa Claus, baking Christmas treats and making decorations for the tree. However, as we get older and perhaps spend Christmas away from our families, traditions can start to fade. To recapture the magic of Christmas, try to hold on to some of the childhood traditions you used to love. Try writing a letter to Santa, leaving out a mince pie and a carrot on Christmas Eve, or just spending some time with your family watching Christmas movies. Although you may feel too old for these rituals now, by reliving your childhood traditions, the Christmas magic will soon come flooding back. Number 2, do something selfless. As we get older and become more aware of the financial side of Christmas, it's easy to get consumed by the commercial side of the season, which can take away some of the joy and the magic. This year, take some time out from the hustle and bustle and stress of the season and spread some love and joy instead. Take part in some seasonal voluntary work such as helping out at homeless shelters, helping with charity, Christmas collections, or getting involved with a sponsored Santa run. Not only will this make you feel all warm and fuzzy inside this festive season, but you can also help somebody else to recapture the magic of Christmas. Number 3, be frivolous. As children, we generally ask for what we want rather than what we need. However, as we get older, presents become a lot more practical and our wish lists are full of useful but entirely unexciting items such as socks, kitchen gadgets and stationery. This year, try to put the excitement back into Christmas by asking and giving some fun and frivolous gifts that you can really look forward to. This doesn't mean necessarily requesting novelty items that you will never use, but maybe try swapping that fancy new frying pan for a pair of high heels or your favourite DVD box set. Alternatively, ditch the list and hint drop in and see what fun surprises you end up with. Number 4, immerse yourself in the magic. If you want to fully experience the Christmas magic, it's important to immerse yourself in the festivities and get involved with as much of it as you can. Try to take on a pantomime, attend a carol service, and visit as many Christmas markets as you can, for example. To truly immerse yourself in the Christmas magic, filling your playlist with magical Christmas songs and watching as many festive movies as you can is almost a must. If you want to do it all while dressed in a Santa jumper and reindeer socks, then we fully support that. Number 5, do something different. As children, part of the reason why Christmas is so magical is because everything is new and exciting. We get swept up in the mystery of Christmas, the sights, the sounds, the smells, and the atmosphere. Recapture the sense of wonder this year by visiting somewhere you have never been before or doing something you have never done. Depending on your budget, you could head off to Lapland for the ultimate festive experience, visit a Christmas market in a location you've never visited before, try a festive activity such as ice skating or carol singing, or simply bake something new. Trying something new and exciting this Christmas will guarantee, and it will be one to remember. And I want to say this to all my subscribers. Have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.